Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to update iOS 26 public beta 4 on any iPhone. Now, to do that, first of all, just make sure you enroll your Apple ID into the Apple Beta program. Now, to do that, just open the Safari app, then in the search bar, just search beta.apple.com. Now, on this page, you will find the option of sign up. Just tap on it. Now, since I have already enrolled my Apple ID into Apple's beta program, it is asking me to sign in with the password. Now, I will tap the X icon. Now, in this section, just enter your Apple ID. Now, once you enter your Apple ID, just tap on Continue. Now, in this section, just enter the password of your Apple ID. Now, once you enter the password of your Apple ID, just tap on Sign In. Now, as you can see, we have successfully received our verification code. Now, just enter this verification code right here. Then tap on Trust. Now, on this page, just scroll down and tap on Enroll your iOS device. Now, on this page, you will find the option of Open Beta Updates. Just tap on it. And from here, you will find the option of Public Beta Updates. Just select it. Now, if you cannot find the public beta updates, just go to your home screen and restart your iPhone. Now, to do that, just press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time. Now, from here, just slide to power off. Now, just tap on OK. Now, just wait for a few seconds, then press and hold the power button to power on your iPhone. Now, once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. Now, once you do that, then open the Settings app. From here, just go to General and tap on Software Update. Now, just tap on Beta Updates. From here, just select the option of Public Beta Update. Then go back, and from here, you will find the option of iOS 26 Beta 4. Now, just tap on Update Now to update your iPhone. Then tap on Install Now. Now, as you can see, the software update has been completed. Now, just swipe up and open your iPhone. Now, as you can see, software update completed. Now, just tap on Continue and tap on Set Up Later. Now, just create your lock screen passcode. Then tap on Use Anyway. Now, just enter your passcode one more time to confirm your passcode. Now, just select Agree. Now, just tap on Set Up Later. Now, just tap on Continue. Then tap on Get Started. Now, if we open the Settings app, now just go to General. From here, just tap on Software Update. As you can see, we have successfully updated our iPhone to the iOS 26 Public Beta 4. And this is how you can update your iPhone to the iOS 26 Public Beta 4 on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.